Hello everyone. I welcome you back once again. And today we are going to look at amazing tool called Scratch programming. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to know the meaning of Scratch, the features of Scratch interface, benefit of Scratch programming, and then the last one will be how to create a simple project using Scratch. So without wasting much time, let's hit the ball rolling. What is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language designed primarily for children and beginners to learn the basics of coding. It allows users to create interactive stories, games, and animation by snapping together code blocks in a drag and drop interface. This makes coding accessible and fun, helping users to develop computational thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. So basically, this is the interface of Scratch program software. Benefits of Scratch programming is a great way to teach skills about coding. It is easy to use and doesn't require any prior knowledge. Great way to introduce skills to computer science. Can be used to create games, animations, and stories. It also allows kids to share and collaborate on projects, and then it also helps build logical thinking and creative thinking skills. And then the last one is it's also free and available to anyone with internet connection. So basically what it means is that it is available to anyone. So far as you have internet connection, you can have access to Scratch programming software. How do you use Scratch? You must first download it from their website. Install the downloaded program on your local computer. Launch the program, start a new project, save your project, and then share your project to the world. So basically that is how we use Scratch. So in our next meeting, we are going to be looking at how to create this amazing animation. So let me play this animation for you to see. So you are going to learn how to create this animation by using Scratch. So stay tuned for the next lesson as I take you through step-by-step guide on how to create this amazing animation. Hello. So this will be our last topic, which is the project that I showed you in our previous lesson. So without wasting my time, I'll be going fast because we don't have much time left. So you just install your Scratch on your PC and then you launch it. So we are going to wait for the Scratch to load, that is the Scratch programming to load. Let me maximize the window so that everyone can see it clearly. So this is our Scratch interface as I showed you earlier in our slides. So we have our sprite here, we don't need it, we delete it, and then we are going to change the stage. So we are going to choose the sky, blue sky stage, and then we are going to add our unicorn, which is running. So I will allow to search unicorn running. So this is the sprite that we need. After setting up, you have to position it at the position, the point that you want, then you stop. Okay, so I'll place mine here, and then in this case we are looking for events. So you're going to event tab, and then when the green flag, which is this one, when it is placed, there should be an action taken. Okay, so when this green flag is clicked, the horse will run forever. So you go for control, and then we look for the block called forever and place it right here. So okay, it has to wait for a 0.01 second. So this is the wait block. You place it here, and then you change it to 0.01 seconds, and then the next costume. So you go to looks, and then you choose next costume and place it right here. So when the green flag is placed, the horse or the unicorn must run forever, wait for 0.01 seconds, and then change to next costume. So this is our horse running. So we are left with a tree. So you come here again, choose light, and then you look for tree. So this is what we want, and then you place the tree at the position that you want. I think I'll place mine here. Okay, I'll place my own here. So for the tree too, when the green flag is placed, so that's the event tab, put it here. Start sound. Okay, so you go to sound, and then you go to start. You don't want the pop sound, so we are going to look for another sound, which is horse gallop sound. Horse gallop sound. So we need this sound. You need to get rid of this one. So let me play it and see. So this is the kind of sound that we want. So you go to your code tab, and then you place it right here, and then you move, you go to control again, and you choose for. Okay, so you will look for go to X and Y axis, and then you place it here. And then you change the figures to 298, and then this will be -83. Okay, then you will go to grid size, grid second, and then that one to change it to 296, -296, and this one too will be 83. Now, so we are looking for go to back, and then go to back layer. So you place it here, and then you change it to back. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, you can see the horse is galloping. Okay, galloping, horse is running. So this is basic animation that I can create for you for now. So you can go through the surface, the interface, and find your way out and see if you can create another animation, of which I've been looking for when we meet in class next week. Thank you.